Hello, friends of small model cars and miniature worlds. Let's see what's happening in my homemade miniature world today. Oh, an accident with two trucks. A heavy transporter loaded with an excavator collided with a semi-truck. We hope no one is injured, but it's better to call an ambulance. There's already a police car on the scene. Let's check out what else is going on in the miniature city. Over here, a man and a woman are talking about their beautiful sports cars. I think the yellow sports car is a Hot Wheels, and the white one is a Matchbox. The ambulance isn't needed anymore, so let's take it for a spin and park it somewhere else to clear up the accident site. First, we need to let the American school bus through. The driver is in a hurry. Now we need a tow truck. Let's try towing the semi-truck with the tow truck. Done. Now let's quickly move the tow truck so the long truck with the trailer has space to turn around. Driving a truck isn't easy. Now it's the heavy transporter's turn. For this, we'll need an extra large and strong tow truck. The excavator is being unloaded from the heavy transporter's flatbed. I hope you enjoyed today's story from the 1/64th scale miniature city of clever die-cast cars. Stay tuned for a new video tomorrow. But before we wrap up, I'll show you one of my favorite cars. No, it's not a boring box full of cars video, but an exciting diorama showcase where I drive the cars with you through my miniature city. Now I'll show you 5 of my favorite die-cast model cars. Let's start with the SUV, a beautiful red SUV with black and brown rims. Next, we have a stunning muscle car with yellow flames on the sides. This must be a Hot Wheels. Here's another muscle car from Hot Wheels. This one is a green car with really nice rims. Does anyone know which brand this car might be? Another SUV. This one is a very sleek silver SUV with big, beautiful wheels. I hope you enjoyed the video.